Congratulations on your new quality Winther product. We have made it as easy as possible for you to start using the vehicle. Simply follow these easy steps. First, take out the bag containing the parts and the assembly instructions. Read the instructions carefully. Unpack all the parts, checking that there are no parts remaining in the box. Make sure that the nylon bushings are well seated on the headstock tube. Then slide the front wheel assembly into the tube. Check that the front wheel is correctly oriented, with the set screws facing backwards. Next, mount the clamp and handlebars. The clamp must be placed on the fork shaft with a screw on the right-hand side. Make sure that the screw is placed from the correct side, opposite the thread. Slide the handlebars into the headstock tube. Make sure that there is no space between the nylon bushings, the headstock tube and the plastic fittings. Then use the Allen key provided to tighten the screw. Remember to tighten it well. Finally, mount the seat. Insert the screw through the seat and the frame tube. Attach and tighten the nut. Again, remember to tighten it properly. Your new Winther vehicle is now ready to be used and enjoyed for many years. Thank you for choosing Winther. Learning by moving.